This is the one baked in the oven, cupcake flex. You taste the strawberry at the end. It's a very interesting cupcake. And it's moist. It's pretty good. And this is the one baked in the air fryer. I added the chocolate chips. Let's see how that works out. It's actually moisture from the air fryer. So in the air fryer under bake, not all air fryers have bake, but this one does. And it made it crispy on the top. You saw what I did. I put it in one of those cups. I put water before I put the baking cup and then the batter. So it's very, very moist and tasty. So by the looks of it, the oven works. By the taste of it and the texture, air fryer. In the little cups. Probably because I didn't put water underneath the baking cups. So that was my experiment for today. I hope you enjoyed. Have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely evening. I need to fix my nails. So that was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. So the trick to super moist baking goods is putting the water in the pan before putting the parchment paper and then the batter. The water starts to get moist with the paper, and it helps with the baking of keeping it super moist. Even though on the box it says super moist, these cupcakes were made without putting water in, and it's a little bit dry. And these were made with the water underneath, and that is the perfect combination. And that is the perfect solution to make super moist baked goods. And that's the solution to make super moist cakes. Happy baking! And that's the solution to make super moist cakes. Happy baking!